YouTube was good. So let's get into the trade recap today. First off, today I started out with $2,450 in this account. And you can see what's left over now. $300 loss today. Pretty terrible day. Let's get into it. Like my first trade was a $600 put on Tesla. Ended up taking a $60 loss on that one. So what happened there? You can see I got the pre-market high marked, pre-market low marked here on the 5-minute. Here it opened. We took off. Testing the pre-market high. Look, it was looking like we were getting a good bounce. Or we were going to get a good bounce downwards. So it looks like here at 651, I went for the $600 put. Probably got it around here somewhere, and I ended up getting stopped out. Pretty terrible. Don't know what I could have done differently there. I just don't think Tesla is in my price range. I don't think I should be trading it because the risk is too much for my portfolio size at the moment. That's what I'm thinking. All right, let's continue. So after that, I wanted to go for another one because I still believed in the trade. Kept showing some resistance here, the pre-market high. Went for another trade, 653. Probably somewhere down here as we were breaking the low. And again, comes back up on me. But this time, this is where I mess up heavy. I held it for a few minutes. Should have got out here. I should have been out of the trade. But I held it for some reason because I knew it was going. I just, Tesla likes to stop you out before it goes. So 655 looks like I had to get stopped out. I'm sure it's here, right? And then, look what happens, man. Just look. Let's not look, but oh my God. Could have made so much money, potentially. But that's how it goes. Instead, I took a humongous L. Humongous. $200 loss at this point. Then the emotions start kicking in. I knew I had to be patient, but still. Emotions were kicking in. I still jumped a little too early. I wanted to go long here. Let's take a look at it. So for this one, I knew we were going to get a bounce off this pre-market low here. And we did. But I jumped the gun too early here. I came in here, so let's take a look. Got a 630 call at 751. Zoom in. Man, those graphs disappeared. I'm going to have to grab them again. 751. I thought we were bouncing off of this one here. But as I first predicted, I should have stuck to the plan, I guess. We ended up bouncing off of pre-market lows, going for a nice little ride. And that could have been, potentially some of my profits. Even though it was a revenge trade, it would have worked out. It was smart. I was actually patient. I just ended up getting a little emotional and jumping too early, I guess. And for that one, man, it got bad. I held it way too long. Just kept letting it ride me. And ended up taking $80 on that one. $80 loss. So total today, about $300 loss. Ended up taking a trade on pens. Not even worth mentioning. I think I lost $15 on that. $315 total. Something like that. Pretty terrible day. I think the key takeaway I was telling myself all morning is that for my portfolio size, I'm not sure if I can trade Tesla and maintain risk management, proper risk management. Just moves too quick and too big of moves for my account. But we'll see. We'll see. After this, I hopped in the paper trader. Actually got a pretty good trade on XOM, whatever that is. But yeah, so seems like if I'm not trading Tesla, things seem to work a little better. So maybe I should focus on that going forward. All right. Thanks for watching, YouTube. I think that's it for today. Tomorrow will be different. I'm going to stop giving the market my money. And we're going to build this portfolio up slowly, consistently. Number one thing takeaway today is I got to remember I'm not here to make money right now. I'm here to learn how to trade.